Today we have a video from Police Cam Briefs, and the title of the video is "Woman Found Asleep Behind the Wheel with the Car Still in Drive."
Tell you what, can you just turn the car off for now? Is there any reason why you'd be asleep at the wheel here?
No, honestly, I needed to go home.
You need to go home?
Yeah.
During a late-night patrol, officers found a woman asleep behind the wheel while her car was still in drive. What seemed like a quick welfare check quickly turned into a DUI investigation as officers began asking where she had been, whether she had been drinking, and whether she was safe to drive herself home.
I can't tell if it's unlocked or not. It's still in drive though? Oh yeah, I see it, okay. Hello, ma'am. Hi, I'm Officer Doan, Los Creek Police Department. Can you put your car in park, please? Put it in park. You alright?
Yeah.
Do you need medical attention or anything?
No.
Just fell asleep or?
No, I definitely need attention maybe before.
You what? I'm sorry?
Maybe before.
Maybe before?
Yeah, but no.
Before what?
Well, before.
Tell you what, can you just turn the car off for now? Where are you coming from?
I was at my friend's house.
You were at your friend's house? Where's your friend live?
From Missouri.
Off of Missouri? Okay. Is there any reason why you'd be asleep at the wheel here?
No, honestly, I need to go home.
You what?
I needed to go home.
Take the key out of the ignition, man. That beeping is crazy.
You need to go home?
Yeah.
Have you been drinking tonight?
No.
No? No drinks, no anything?
No.
Okay. The reason why I'm asking is because not many people, it's not too common to be passed out at the wheel, you know?
No, and I get that. No, yeah.
That's why I asked you if you needed any medical attention or anything like that.
No, yeah, no. I needed to get home.
Okay. Do you have any medical issues or anything like that?
I'm pre-diabetic, yeah.
Pre-diabetic? And you take medication for that as well?
Yeah, I take metformin.
You take what?
Metformin?
Metformin? All right. What's your name?
Teresa?
Teresa? Do you have your driver's license with you?
I believe so. Oh, okay. Well, maybe I don't have my driver's license.
You don't have it?
I don't. But I can spell you my name.
Is the car yours?
Yeah, this is mine.
All right, Teresa. Well, so where we're at right now, obviously you were asleep at the wheel. I want to make sure that you were okay to drive up until that point. Would you mind doing some standardized field sobriety tests?
Sure.
Okay. I'll just go ahead and have you step out for now. All right. So what I'll do, I'll just have you face me, okay? Can you take your glasses off? Yeah. And then if you want, you can just set them on your trunk for now.
I can't see anything without them, though.
That's fine. For this test, you don't need to be able to see much, okay? And you can see the tip of my pen?
Yeah.
Okay. So with your eyes and your eyes only, I need you to follow the tip of my pen without moving your head, okay?
Not bad. Now, too bad they're not actually looking for you to go like this. They're looking for what's in your eye. The movement in your eye.
All right, you can relax. All right, for this next one I want you to do, we're gonna go ahead and take a couple steps back here, okay? All right, so what I want you to do, you see that line right in front of you?
Yeah.
Go ahead and place your left foot in front on that line. Perfect. Now with your right foot, I want you to place your right foot in front of your left with your right heel touching your left toe. Keep your arms flat down by your side.
Okay, maybe I should take these off.
Yeah, you can take them off.
Sorry.
You're good.
My feet roll when I walk.
Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 9 heel-to-toe steps on that line directly in front of you.
Okay.
Counting your steps out loud, looking down at your feet while you walk, okay? Once you hit your 9th step, you're gonna leave your lead foot planted. Take a series of small steps, turn around back on this line. And then you'll take 9 more heel-to-toe steps until you completed the test, okay? Once you started the test, do not stop, all right? I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it for you. For demonstration purposes, I'll be taking 3 steps. But for you during the test, you'll be taking 9, okay?
Okay.
So again, it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3. A series of small steps. Turn around back on that line. 1, 2, 3. And then continue until you stop, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions before we begin this test?
Except I'm taking 9.
Correct. Do you have any questions?
Nope.
Okay. You can begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. You said, leading foot, I can turn around.
Yep, as instructed.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Are you done? Okay. You can relax.
You can put your boot back up.
Thank you.
All right, so for this next one, feet together, heels and toes touching, arms completely flat down by your side, okay? Just stay in this position while I give you the instructions of this test, all right? So for this next one, all you're gonna do is you're gonna lift 1 foot directly in front of you, keeping your legs straight approximately 6 inches off the ground, okay? You can do your left or your right, it does not matter. While you're doing this, remember, keep your legs straight, your foot flat, approximately 6 inches off the ground. And what I want you to do is you're gonna look down at your raised toe, and you're gonna count out loud in this manner: 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, and so on until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Do you have any questions before we begin this test?
No, except
Okay.
like 1001 is weird, but okay.
You can begin.
1001? Sorry, I have really bad balance.
You're right.
1001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2000. I'm sorry.
You're okay.
My feet really roll.
Okay. Just keep going.
1000. Do I start over?
Yeah, just keep counting.
Okay, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 10.
Yeah, you're done.
2012,
You're done. You're done.
All right, you can stop. All right, Tressa.
See, the thing with... Let me
So
go.
tonight you are going to be under arrest for DUI, okay? Go ahead and put... Yeah, Tressa, is that how you say your name?
Teresa.
Teresa? So like I said, you are going to be under arrest tonight for DUI, okay?
Okay, for which test did I fail?
So the tests aren't pass or fail, okay? What the tests are to show signs of impairment. And tonight during those, you did show signs of impairment, okay?
Yeah, they have already made up their mind. You're done, okay?
No, ma'am. Let go of your hand. All right, so I need to read this verbatim, okay? So listen to me, I'm going to tell you something important. You're under arrest for DUI. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, or laboratory technician, or technologist who is employed by a hospital or physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional test will be paid by a law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test? I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico license or non-resident operating privilege for 1 year. If you are convicted in court of driving while under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you now agree to be tested?
See, this is the part that I don't understand. People will do the field sobriety test, which are voluntary, but they don't do the chemical test, and you're going to get penalized for that. You're not, if you tell them, no, I don't want to do field sobriety test, you're not going to get penalized for that. Their mind is already made up that you're going to jail for the most part. When they ask you, I just want to make sure that you're okay to drive, yada, yada. Listen, they are already 90% to the point you're getting locked up. Okay, you got a 10% chance of passing that thing or really proving the officer's wrong or whatever. But in my eyes, it's 90% you going to jail, man.
So just your phone, and then you said that's the only thing that you want to bring with you?
Hi.
Hello.
Are you here to pick up the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
I actually have my friend coming right now, and they're gonna get my car. I'm gonna take her car. They're around the
Okay.
corner.
Okay. Let me get you the
Can
keys.
I ask what happened?
Yeah, so she fell asleep at this intersection. Somebody called and Yeah, she is intoxicated. Yeah, she doesn't sleep at the wheel.
Can I talk to her?
It's up to that officer over there. They're gonna do a search her real quick, and then I'll ask him if you can talk to her.
All right.
I'm pretty sure you will.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, let me just get you the keys real quick. Okay. So you can go ahead and talk to her. She just wants all this stuff in her to go with her with the car.
With the car? Yeah, no worries.
Okay. Okay, here's the keys right here.
All right. Thank you, officer.
Appreciate you.
Can I bug that female officer? She's much slower than me. I have to call in the back to get the car because it's stuck. It's like the door doesn't, the key doesn't unlock the door.
Is there any other way to get?
Yeah, through the trunk at the very top, right there. There's some handles to get through the trunk.
Okay. Alright. I guess she's gotta climb through the trunk. All 4 of your doors don't work?
Yeah, the lock doesn't work.
Oh, she got it. Kind of.
Yeah, the lock doesn't work. That's why I don't. Well, I don't know who locked it, but I don't lock the door.
Yeah, I mean, usually we lock the doors when so that way they're
okay.
secured.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I mean, we just don't run into too many times where all 4 of the doors don't work.
Yeah, all 4 of them don't work, unfortunately.
Gotcha. Well, at the very least, we'll wait until she actually gets in there before taking off, so no cars just come up behind her. But she's in the trunk now, so she's.
If I can step back and now we just get on the big board.
I can't, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, it's a mission.
Cool. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Well, she got in.
She doesn't.
That's so weird. All 4 of them don't work.
Yeah, it sucks, actually.
How do you? Is that how you? That's how you get in every time?
No, I just don't lock the door. Somebody stole my purse.
Yeah, I was about to say. I can imagine a couple.
Yeah, somebody stole my purse with my car keys in it and everything else in it.
Jeez.
So that's
Yeah, but if you know that your locks is funny, why would you leave your purse in an unlocked car? Does that make sense?
Okay.
pretty annoying, but
I can see how.
yeah.
Alrighty.
The incident ended with the woman being arrested for suspected DUI after she was found asleep behind the wheel while the car was still in drive. The situation shows how one impaired.
Yeah, so that's yeah, I mean, instead of going out drinking, you might want to save up and get your locks fixed. That's all I got to say about that, man. That shit is crazy. All 4 locks don't work. Come on, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.